Let's talk about some of the tax strategies that are available to families who are doing foster care or caring for kinship children, relative children, that they may be eligible for, but they may not know about.
Yes, love taxes. So there's about five different ones, not specific to foster or kin, but
Mhm.
often because of the rules, they will apply to a foster parent or a kinship parent. And so these rules are typically the child has to be living with you for more than half of the year, and you have to be providing more than half of their financial support. And the third rule is they have to be a US citizen, national, or resident alien. But for all five of these, if you meet those kind of three criterias, you should be able to take advantage of these different child tax credits. For informal kinship, works, if your child is your son, daughter, grandchild, sibling, half sibling, kind of any descendant of these. For the child tax credit, it's pretty big benefit, could be up to $2,000. You just need that valid social security number. Child has to be under 17. So that's a great benefit to take advantage of. We also have the credit for other dependents, which can be about $500 maxes out. And so if a child doesn't qualify for the child tax credit, either because they're older or have no social security number, this one can be one you can access as well. And then the third one is child independent care credit. So this is if you're paying for childcare, any type of after school program, a babysitter, while you're going to work or while you're looking for work. The IRS will pay for a percentage of these costs. It'll help you gain back some of those expenses that you incurred. And then there is the earned income tax credit. And this is for low or moderate income earners. And this can be stacked with the child tax credit, so it can be very nice. And
Mhm.
this you can get if the child is under 19 or under 24 and going to school as a full-time student. And then the last one is filing for head of household. So this is, instead of filing single, you can file head of household if you supply, 50% of the cost of your home. And this puts you in a better tax bracket. So it's better deductions and you pay less in taxes. So these are all great incentives to take advantage of.